Hey, what's up, kings and queens? What you doing?
It's Theo.
And it's Say.
Y'all, man, we got a video for y'all. This gonna be my first time watching him. It's Dane Cook. This one is Sneezing Atheist. I'm sorry, man. These chips good as motherfuckers. You know I love salt and vinegar chips.
Yeah, it's really good.
Now, if y'all haven't already seen our other videos, we done react to Joey Diaz, Louis C.K., Richard Pryor, Mike Epps. Now we got Dane Cook.
Is there somebody else?
Oh. I don't think so. It seemed like it, though. Nah, that's it. But y'all, the reason I chose Dane Cook, because I heard, like, back in, like, the MySpace days or whatever, he was showing, like, he was, like, building himself up and, like, basically advertising himself on MySpace and everything like that. He was, like, one of the first dudes to do it. Or maybe the first guy to do it. So I'm like, damn, this nigga the Soulja Boy of comedians. Why not go ahead and get into it, man? I mean, I want to go on and hear how, like, he was smart enough to do that. Thank you, baby. He was smart enough to do that, so I want to go on here and see if he was at least funny.
Yeah, me too.
What's so funny?
Nothing.
You could have sucked it out of my chin.
Standing next to this man, never met him before. He turns towards me and he sneezes like this. He goes, He actually did like the robot from '85. Yeah, he turns towards me and he sneezed, and there was no blockage. There was no hand or the mouth.
That's an
There was
ass
no
whipping.
burying the arm. There was the thing where you try to make somebody run away like you're about to turn into a werewolf. Hey,
Oh, I'm spitting in that nigga
happening to
face.
me. Nothing. No, he just cocked and
Oh my god.
Two things happened. First of all, it scared the ever-living out of me, okay? I jumped because it was very audible, very loud. But besides that, just the way the light was hitting this guy's face, debris came out.
You genius.
A lot of stuff. Almost like when you use Windex and you put it on mist mode. You know, mist
Ew.
mode?
Oh my
He
god.
sneezed. Debris. Movement. Okay, now at this point I'm disgusted. And I'm grossed out. Okay, I'm grossed out by it. And at first I think I'm going to go off on this guy. And then I decided, wait a second, Dane, don't do that. Take the high road. Try to be polite. So I turned to him, and this is what I said. I looked at him and I went, God bless you. Yeah, I said it like that. God bless you. Which, you know, is God bless you, but it kind of sounded like cover your fucking mouth. Yeah, incognito. I turn to the guy. I say God bless you, by the way, when someone sneezes. I don't say bless you. I don't say that because I'm not the Lord. I can't do that.
Okay.
You got my face.
I'm just a messenger for big guns upstairs, you know what I'm saying? And I never go with Gesundheit. I don't know who even says that. If I say Gesundheit, I feel like I'm honoring Hitler. Like I should be like, Gesundheit! I end up on the History Channel because the guy sneezed. God bless you. This is what the guy comes back with, okay? Here's where it starts to get out of control. Guy looks at me and very condescending, he goes, yeah, I'm an atheist.
Bitch.
Yeah, what a jerk, right? I'm trying to be polite. I don't know you're an atheist,
For
right?
real.
Even if I did, what am I supposed to say when an atheist sneezes? When you die, nothing happens.
Damn, she happy as shit, man. You gotta be that happy.
This should show somebody not classic.
For real.
So now, oh man, now I start getting into like a religious debate with this guy. And it is awful, okay? He's questioning my beliefs. He goes, well, what about you? What did you grow up? I said, well, I was raised Catholic.
Oh, hell, what? Come on, that's worse. That's worse.
Peace be with you. And also with you. Lift up your hearts. as I'm telling him about my religious background, he's laughing at me. He is laughing at me. He's giggling. He's like, "You believe this? This is what." Now, for his own entertainment, he says to me, "Let me ask you this: what do you believe happens to you after you die?" And I said, "Okay, well, hopefully I live a good life, and my soul goes to heaven. And when I get there, all my ancestors will be waiting for me like it's an airport. Hey, what's up? Guess who's dead, sucker? Come here. Come here, float over here. Check this out."
Like they just gonna be waiting.
I'm telling him this, he's laughing even more. He is so condescending. He's so snarky with his fucking attitude. Yeah, snarky. It's a word. Google that shit. It exists. So he's laughing at my beliefs, and finally I just snap back. "What about you? Okay, what about you? All right? What happens to you? You're an atheist. What does that mean? What happens to you after you die?" Now he gets very serious, like he's going to school me, okay? He looks, he goes, "Oh, I can tell you, young man. I can tell you. I know what's going to happen to me after I die. After I pass on, my body will become one with this earth. From there, I will become a fertilizer for this planet. And with that, I will return as a huge, beautiful tree."
I don't know about that part.
That's what this guy believes. He's laughing at me. He's gonna come back as a fucking ficus. And yeah. Johnny Weeping Willow over here. I wanted to slam this guy so bad for this, right? But then I stopped. You guys. Please hear me out. I let it sink in, and I want you to as well. I hope when he dies, he does become a tree. I hope he's in the middle of the wilderness, and he's doing his tree thing, whatever it is trees do. I know they do a lot of work with breezes. And wouldn't it be fantastic if while he was out there just enjoying his treeness, through the woods, a huge sweaty guy with an axe comes along.
No.
Sees him. Chops him down, smash. Put a chain around him, drag him through the mud and the muck, throw him into a sawmill, grind him up. Then you pound him down into paper, and once he's paper, you print the Bible on him.
That one was yeah, that was It was
I liked
okay.
it. I was entertained. He was cracking me up. He was talking about his soul.
I know, I heard you laugh.
And then with the tree.
So you like his theatrics and stuff?
I
like
do.
that,
I do. It's entertaining.
Yeah, it was pretty good. And y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what y'all thought about Dane Cook and the atheist sneezing. Now I think I would have hit him. Like, I don't know,
Yeah,
man.
that's mad
Spit in his face or something. Like you doing that to me?
Like, this nigga turned to you and was like, and he said that he could see it fly. Oh, we
Like
fighting.
for breeze.
We're
Like,
fighting.
like, bro, for real? Like, nah, man.
And then, even if you would have took the high road and said, "God bless you," or "bless you," he still came back with, "I'm an atheist."
For real.
So it's like, oh.
Like,
You said, oh?
no, I said, no, I was like, bitch, like, nigga, I don't give a fuck, you atheist or what, like, atheist, Methodist, motherfucker, I don't give a damn, nigga, I'm just trying to be polite.
Mm-hmm.
I apologize, nah, nigga, you need to be polite before I beat your ass.
Okay, you guys, like, comment down below,
Dirty
subscribe.
motherfucker.
Let us know if there's any other Dane Cook videos you want us to watch, or any other comedians that you want us to watch. What you about to say?
You see old woman standing up there talking about,
She felt that, like that didn't happen to her before.
you sit your
She
ass
like,
down.
yes, baby, tell him. Like, okay.
Like for real. Nah, I ain't gonna talk about religion. I ain't gonna talk
Yeah,
about
I'll say
religion and
if
stuff.
she-
I had
she
to think
felt
about
that.
it during the stuff. But that shit was funny. Like, if we want to have a discussion, we could. But I guess this ain't the video for it. Because it's gonna be too many butthurt people on. See you guys later.
Bye, y'all.
Peace. Yeah, okay, I'm done.
It's kind of shit, y'all.
Dry as hell.
Action also asked if, for $1 million, would I stay with you if your dick was decapitated?
I don't even know if I can stay alive.
I don't know if I could stay with you.
I can't even imagine life without a dick.
Yeah, neither. I can't imagine you without that.
Sound like that's the only reason you with me.
No, but it's like, $1 million or leave you, and you know. So I had to take that clean million.
Yeah.
Hey! Can you stop it? You don't even give me a chance to try and get the ball.
I'm not supposed to.
I know, but damn, Theo.
You alright, baby?
No, and I'm tired of playing this fucking game. Can we please? Can you take the sacrifice and drink the shit? It's ranch and whatever else.
Your booty's it.
Okay, and I've had to drink it 3 times. Seriously,
Alright,
Theo,
baby.
come on. Goodness.
Behind the scenes.